Picture the scene. You have a contract for a new part you've never made before. The machinist on the shop floor has readied the machine for cutting and is about to press go. At this moment, we suspect you're thinking something like this. I hope we get this part right first time. At Vericut, we understand the pressures you're under. We know how expensive your work is and how wasted material can be damaging. Thankfully, our CNC simulation software is here to help you forego your machining frustrations, giving you the confidence to correctly machine a brand new part for the very first time, every time. What is Vericut? Vericut is a software program for verifying, simulating, and optimizing CNC machining processes, such as milling, turning, and grinding, but it's capable of much more. It's a diverse collection of modules connected by a common objective: achieving the most accurate, informed, and profitable machining results possible. How does Vericut work? Vericut gives you a window to the future so you know exactly what to do in the present. It uses real NC program data to create an accurate digital twin that mimics exactly what your machine does. Here you can simulate the exact job you'll be running on that machine, so you'll know what will happen when machining. It monitors and analyzes your machine's behavior, notifying you of any crashes, collisions, and close calls during the simulation. It also finds conflicts between setup and tooling, ensuring that all machined parts match intended designs. This digital dummy run means you never really have to machine a part, material, or tool for the first time. What applications should I use Vericut for? Vericut is purpose-built to help manufacturers fulfill every machining application that arrives on the shop floor, no matter its size or complexity. Vericut is equipped with a wide range of modules tailored to a specific CNC machining practice, such as 5-axis machining, composite manufacturing, grinder dressing, drilling and fastening, and additive manufacturing. Leading manufacturing companies from the largest pool of industries use Vericut for their CNC simulation requirements, and we think you should too. So, why use Vericut? Save time. Vericut removes the need for prove-outs and saves time across your shop floor. Save money. Vericut eliminates crashes, scrap, rework, and damaged tooling. Seamless integration. Vericut connects with leading CAD/CAM software, tooling systems and libraries, and CNC machines. Boost productivity. Vericut optimizes your manufacturing processes to reduce cycle time and slash downtime. Boost confidence. Vericut's hyper-accurate simulations mean machinists never need to keep one hand on their machine's emergency stop button. These reasons and more mean CNC manufacturers who machine with Vericut do so with total peace of mind. It's more than software for verifying and simulating machining processes. It's a manufacturer's ultimate ally. It's the tool to help you run your machines without the fear of the unknown, while unleashing your production's true potential. It's the tool that gives CNC manufacturers like you the confidence to always press go.